So minimum surface of revolution. So here if a plane curve, this is a plane curve, is rotated about a line in its plane, we get surface of revolution. So take one pen, take one more pen on the top, rotate around that pen, first pen, then you are going to get one surface, that is called surface of revolution. In this section, we shall discuss about a curve which when rotated about a line gives a surface of revolution of minimum area. So, we need a surface whose area is minimum. Observe next question. Prove that catenary is the curve which when rotated about a line gives a surface of minimum area. So here one curve is there. That curve is rotated about a line. Then catenary is the curve which is having minimum area. That is the question. So let A of x1, y1, here A point is there. This is point A of x1, y1. This is the point B, x2, y2. Be any 2 points on the curve. Okay. Let ds be the arc length of AB. This length is ds. When the curve is rotates around the x-axis, the elementary arc length ds rotates through a distance of 2 pi y around the x-axis. So, the elementary area is 2 pi y into ds. So, the distance between x-axis and this curve is 2 pi y. Okay. 2 pi y, ds can be written as ds by dx into dx. Okay, but we know the value of ds by dx, that is root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This is the formula what you learn in your second semester. Okay, ds by dx is root of 1 plus y dash square dx. So, now we are going to we need total surface area. How we get total surface area means integrate this elementary area. 2 pi is constant. Y into root of 1 plus y dash square dx. Limits are x1 to x2. X limits are x1 to x2. Okay. Here f is y into root of 1 plus y dash square, which does not contain x explicitly. That means x is not appearing. By using corresponding Euler's formula, we get f minus y dash dou f by dou y dash equal to c. So, this is f minus y dash as it is. Now, we are going to do partial differentiation of f with respect to y dash. So, observe, when we are going to do partial differentiation with respect to y dash, y is constant. So, for root 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus y dash square. For 1, 0, y dash square differentiation is 2y dash. Here c is there. We are going to write c as it is. So, this term as it is minus 2 into y dash square divided by 2 into root of 1 plus y dash square equal to c. 2 get cancelled. Take LCM. By taking LCM, we are going to get here y into 1 plus y dash square. Y means fraction into LCM. Then Root A into root A is A only. 2 get cancelled. Here fraction into LCM means this term and this term going get cancelled. Then y into y dash square only here equal to C. So multiply y into 1 is y into y dash square is y dash square minus y dash square. Plus term cancel with negative term. So we are going to get numerator as y only. Cross multiplication, squaring on both sides. Y becomes y square, c becomes c square, root and square get cancelled. 1 plus y dash square. So multiplication becomes division. Addition becomes subtraction. So take LCM c square. Here y square. Here c square. Y dash square as it is. Taking root on both sides. Here we are going to get root. Root c square is c. Y dash square is y dash. But y dash is dy by dx. So now variable separable. Dx goes to that side. C goes to numerator. This numerator becomes denominator. Take integration. C constant. Integration of dx is x. This is the direct formula for cos h inverse of y by c. So next this is integrating constant k. Cos h inverse goes to this side as cos h. Y by c as it is. Y equal to c into something. Okay. C into this quantity. So let A equal to kc implies y equal to. So here you take LCM. Then you are going to get x plus kc. The simplification of x by c plus k is take LCM x plus kc. If you take kc as a, then you are going to get here as x plus a by c, which is the curve. This is the curve which makes the surface area of revolution a minimum, and this is catenary. These values of the values of the constants a and c can be determined by using the end conditions that the curve passes through the points a of x1, y1 and b of x2, y2. So this is the problem.